Welcome to Julian Flooring's virtual showcase. Experience flooring like never before. First, we have the original for images, so one day you can see the before. Second up, the stunning 10-inch by 60-inch Andariaman, wood-looking tile, bringing warmth and elegance to any space. Next, witness the sleek sophistication of the 48-inch by 48-inch vainly polished porcelain tile. Observe the radiant charm of 48-inch by 48-inch Naomi, white porcelain polished tile. Each room tells a story. Which flooring narrates your style? Imagine the possibilities. Each tile transforms your space uniquely. Julian Flooring, where your vision meets our expertise. Ready to redefine your home? Contact us today to begin your transformation journey with Julian Flooring. In case you are wondering, Julian does have a particular set of skills that make him a valuable asset for your flooring project.